The streets of Cape Town are about to get a whole lot quieter and cleaner. Golden Arrow Bus Services, the city's main public transport provider, has partnered with BYD to introduce 120 electric buses to its fleet.
It's the first for the whole of South Africa, actually, having these electric buses in service carrying passengers every single day. So it's absolutely huge, and obviously there's a lot at stake in terms of making sure that our public transport moves forward sustainably. We're facing a lot of problems with the cost of transport, so we needed to also make sure that it's going to be financially viable. And all of our projections thus far are showing that it's going to really help to mitigate against that unstable fuel price.
The partnership with BYD is not just about sustainability, but also about innovation and efficiency.
We start these working relationship with Golden Arrow, and it's about 3.5-4 years ago. Initially, we started piloting 2 buses with them to try to map out the operation and calculate the savings, and then making sure that the electric buses can and will do well with a fleet. This is the biggest fleet change in the company in terms of changing to a different technology, and then it's almost like a historical milestone for them as well.
Golden Arrow has already accumulated thousands of kilometers of data testing with a few electric buses.
We're very excited to have this partnership with BYD. And yes, having 120 buses in the fleet is really going to make a difference, because currently having 3 or 4 in operation, it's given us a lot of data. We've done over 200,000 kilometers worth of testing, but obviously the real proof of the pudding is really in the testing at scale. So we believe that having this 120 buses in the fleet, which would be about 10% of our current fleet, is really going to show us the way forward.
This is a game changer for Cape Town and could help South Africa reach its gas emissions target.
As we know that we have a zero carbon policy for South Africa for 2050, and then I think most of the industry, especially in the commercial sectors, are all looking ways and means to fulfill that policy, to make sure that they can achieve that goal as a target.
As Cape Town embarks on this green journey, BYD's commitment to sustainable transportation extends across borders.
We have started operating our first bus in I think 2012 in UK, and if that's for the global market, I'm speaking under the correction, but I think there are some BYD buses that's under operation in Shenzhen that have already achieved 1.5 million kilometers in operation. So I think in terms of building trust, it's not only our operation that's in South Africa. BYD is already a #1 EV company in the whole world.
120 BYD electric buses will be fully operational by December 2025, contributing significantly towards a more sustainable form of transport in the mother city. Julie Shara, CGTN, Cape Town.